What's up guys, my name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the choreography that I made to the song called Take Your Time by Kybba and Limitless. So let's go to the studio and start. Alright, let's go from here. That's 5, 6. You guys step to your right. 1, 2. By the way, this one is moving front. 7 and go. 1, 2. Half. 3, 4. Slowly going up. 5, 6. Close. 7 and 8. So 7 close on 8. Next, count go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then walk 5, 6. 7 close on 8. One more time. Do it, 2 into each. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's try faster. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close on 8. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Next! Alright, third eight. From here, you're gonna need to step back, left back. 1, so your weight goes to your left. 1, then go back. 2. Then you show hips. 3, close on 4. Then left. 5, 6, then down. 7 and 8. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and step up. 1, 2, hips 3, 4, 5, 6, down 7 and 8. Alright? Faster. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Next. From here, you're gonna step to the front. 1, 2, 3, clap on 4. Then step. 5, 6. Look here. 6. Your right is on your tummy. 6. Then arch your back. 7. Then your left go to your shoulder. 8. Okay. More time. 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3. Clap 4. Away. 5, 6. Arch 7 and 8. Okay, let's try faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Alright, from here, you're gonna go slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 1, 8. 6, 5, 6. 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, then step to your right. 1, 2, back 3, 4 to the side. 5, 6. From here, 7. On the 8, turn back. On 8. One more time. You end up to the back. And again. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the side. 6, 7, turn back on 8. Let's do it faster. Another step. 5, 6, 7, and again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, hit it, side, 7, 8. Alright? Alright, next, from here, watch carefully. You're gonna step your right to the front slide. 1, 2. Alright, left. And from here, arch 3 and 4. Again, 5, 6, away 7, 8. Point. Got it. Alright, so again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster. Sorry. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Alright, next from here we're gonna 7, 8. This one circle 1, 2, up 3, turn around 4. Then you gotta step to your right. 5, 6, then 7. Gonna go up on 8. Alright? Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, up on 3, 4, side. 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here, next, you're gonna go down only one hand, stay. 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, drop on 4. Again, 7 and 1, 2, 3, drop on 4. Okay? 4. Then you go anything, add it. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Anything, you can do anything. You can anything you like, guys. So again, you can do right, left, right, check. Alright, let's try from here. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, lift. 6 and 7, 8. Good. Nice. So you end up on any poses you like. So I choose this one, 6, 7. From here you're gonna do 4 counts, ad lib. Melt. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 5 and 6, 7. Last pose. 8. Don't copy me. You can do anything you like. All right. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Melt. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Again. 5, 6, 7, 7. Melt. 1, 2, 3. Here. 5, 6, 7. Pose. And good. Let's do it from the beginning. You remember? Remember? Alright, let's try. From the top. 5, 6. Let's do it twice. First, slow. Second one is a regular beat. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit. 8, 1, 2, 3. Walk to your right. 6, 7, 8. Step back. Hips. 3, 5, 6, 7. To the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Away. 5, 6. Arch your back. 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3. Close on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 to the back. Side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. Side. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Turn around. 5, 6, 7. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and pose. Alright? Now faster. Here we go. 5. Faster, girls. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 5, 6. Arch your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other hand space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Active. 5, 6, 8. Slow. 2, 3. Hips and pose. Yes. Good job.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. please don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell for my new update dance tutorial and video. Bye-bye!